A leather messenger bag looks simple at first glance, carrying a laptop, documents, a camera, and everyday essentials people take to work. But some messenger bags go far beyond ordinary leather goods, featuring premium designs crafted with rare and distinctive natural materials. Natural white and gray Brahman bull horn becomes a decorative element, carefully shaped and polished before combining with high-quality leather.
What most people see is only the finished bag, rarely thinking about the raw horn, leather, cutting, shaping, and stitching behind it.
Behind this familiar object lies a specialized industrial process that most people never get the chance to witness firsthand. A messenger bag is designed around one purpose: carrying useful items safely while remaining comfortable and durable for repeated daily use. Leather is valued because it stays strong and flexible, developing a distinctive surface character the longer it is used. Every horn has its own curvature, color variation, and natural pattern, meaning no two finished decorative pieces are perfectly identical. Manufacturers process suitable horn into decorative panels, accents, buckles, and handles, and now the journey begins at the factory. At the receiving area, bundles of leather and containers of cleaned natural horn arrive at the manufacturing facility for processing. Workers unload the incoming materials and move them carefully into designated receiving areas for the next stage. Forklifts, carts, and organized storage systems keep incoming materials moving safely as the factory begins to understand its intake. The selected horn pieces now enter the preparation area, where dirt, dust, and surface residue are removed. The horn is washed, sanitized, and dried, then carefully sorted according to size and overall material quality. Drying is particularly important, since too much moisture can interfere with later machining, adhesives, and leather handling. Cleaned materials pass through a final screening step, filtering out any remaining dust particles or unwanted debris. By the end of this stage, the materials are cleaner, more stable, and fully ready for precise manufacturing steps. Now the natural materials begin to take recognizable forms as they move into the precision cutting stage. Computerized patterns determine exactly where panels, straps, pockets, and reinforcing pieces will be cut from leather. Precision cutting machines follow these shapes repeatedly, reducing material waste while maintaining strict consistency across every batch. Suitable horn sections are selected and cut into workable blanks that can later be shaped into components. These blanks are flattened, trimmed, and shaped, while grinding and controlled sanding gradually remove unwanted material. At this point, raw materials stop looking like agricultural byproducts and begin looking like premium product components. Horn blanks are carefully machined using cutting, grinding, sanding, and shaping equipment for precise final dimensions. The objective is not simply removing material, but creating a controlled thickness and smooth, precise profile. Specialized tools gradually refine edges and surfaces while carefully avoiding excessive heat that could damage the material. The horn then passes through progressively finer abrasive stages, refining its surface with each successive pass. A rough surface becomes smoother, while sharp edges gradually become rounded and comfortable to the touch. The natural pattern becomes more visible as polishing reveals the unique grain hidden within each horn piece. Meanwhile, leather components are prepared through edge treatment, skiving, conditioning, and controlled shaping for assembly. This is the stage where craftsmanship and machinery work together most clearly, shaping both leather and horn. Once individual components are prepared, assembly begins as leather panels are positioned according to the bag's design.
The finished horn components are carefully fitted into their designated positions on the partially assembled bag.
Depending on the design, horn may serve as a decorative plate, clasp, accent, or handle detail.
Gradually, separate pieces come together to form one complete and recognizable leather messenger bag with horn accents.
Workers examine the leather closely for scratches, uneven stitching, loose threads, and any surface imperfections.
Quality control protects more than the product. It protects the customer's experience and the manufacturer's reputation.
After passing inspection, the completed messenger bags are prepared carefully for transport to their next destination. Individual bags are placed into protective cartons, while larger shipments are organized into grouped packages. For premium products, packaging is not simply protection, it is the first physical part of the customer's experience. The packaged products now move into the finished goods warehouse, ready for organized storage and tracking. Pallets and cartons are organized according to product model, batch number, destination, and current order status. Forklifts move heavier loads through marked warehouse lanes, transporting pallets efficiently between storage sections. The goal is simple: keeping finished products protected, organized, and ready to leave when an order arrives. Forklifts and pallet equipment position shipments carefully for transport, loading them securely onto waiting trucks. Depending on the destination, the bags may travel by truck, container, air cargo, or other distribution networks. From the factory, shipments move toward distributors, wholesalers, regional warehouses, and specialized retail networks. What began as raw natural material is now part of a global logistics system, reaching distant destinations.
Eventually, the messenger bags reach their final destination inside a modern retail store or showroom.
A customer picks one up, opens its compartments, and tests the strap before making a decision. From raw horn and leather to a product carried through everyday life, a long chain of craftsmanship is complete.